Hey, what's up guys? So, it's been a long time I'm not uploading new videos. So today I'm gonna, not much, but just repaint my bike because I just bought new fuel tank and it's got pretty extremely low price, and I just replace it because my fuel tank is leaking. And the reason I'm not making new video again because my thumb is crossed by chain sprocket. So when I'm washing my bike and cleaning up the chains, my hand is slippery and got crossed by chain sprocket. So on today's video is not much, but I think you might enjoy it. And it's take a lot of time because painting is not easy task. And I hope you like this video. Yes, already got repair, and this is epoxy glue. So I just already sandpaper it a little bit to make it smooth, and now I'm gonna spray it with epoxy paint. There is some rust that I have already sandpaper it, so now I'm gonna spray it with primer first, then the color. to peel everything off. This is the moment that you have waiting for. Okay, it's finished peeling everything up, but this paper is sticking on the paint. I think I can remove it with water, and seems like there's something that I don't want to see. So here is this black paint is come out from the shape, whatever. So I will repair it. I'm gonna remove this paper first and then give it to sandpaper a little bit to make everything smooth, and then I finish up with transparent spray paint. So yeah, this is the first time I'm painting something. Alright, I just repaint the red color because there's some marks from the paper, and I changed the color of it because last time it's not glossy red color. And here's the after I repaint. Seems cool. And here's the before. You can see on here there's some marks from the paper. And now I'm gonna paint on this side, and I'm gonna cover the black color with tape again and reuse this paper because I don't want to waste any paper again. So yeah, now I'm gonna cover everything again on the black paint. Alright, I just finished wrapping the tail with some vinyl wrap. The reason why I doing this because my painting skill is so bad, and when I painting this one, I paint it too much and it looks terrible, and I don't want to make my bike looks so bad because of my bad painting, and instead of painting I just wrap it with vinyl. And let's wait until tomorrow and install everything.